taught me, you don't need a reason to sing. The world is full of possibilities, and so are you. The PBS Kids sounds good. And yeah.
Over here! Have you been outdoors today? Come on! There's a whole wide world just waiting. See what nature is creating. Hear the birds sing. Climb a tree. Smell the flowers. You'll agree. It's always a better day when you come outdoors to play. Take a closer look. You can check out the Nature Explorer Club at arborday.org. See the wonder of nature outdoors. Come explore.
No longer supports this app. Some videos may not play correctly anymore. Sorry for the inconvenience.
What do I want in a Glade plug-in? Well, it'd be fresh. What about a nightlight? And an extra outlet? Perfect.
Glade plug-ins extra outlet nightlight.
Plug it in, plug it in. Now that's a bright idea.
Meet Lila from Lila in the Loop. Lila, her Stu, and best friend Everett tackle Paul one step at a time.
I've got an idea.
It's Lila in the Loop.
Let's do this.
Streaming free on PBS Kids.
Elmwood City. Place for Arthur. Peaceful town.
No, it isn't. It's
A mysterious town. Where on any average day, any average friend could say the wrong thing.
I'm actually bored.
Or reveal a dark hidden talent.
Blugga, blugga, blue, blue.
Watch Arthur. Now, streaming free on PBS Kids.
Harry, Molly is the novel possible heart violence. How do you believe that our life and the joys of life are all learned? Target is a proud sponsor of PBS Kids. Corporation for Public Broadcasting, a private corporation funded by
you can always count on George. It's Curious George on PBS Kids. George on new adventures, meet new friends, and find new ways to figure things out. Watch Curious George, streaming now for free on PBS Kids. Every day on PBS Kids.
Outdoors today? Come on! There's a whole lot of waiting to see. Nature is creating. Hear the birds sing. Climb a tree. Smell the flowers. Always a Saturday. Come outdoors and play. You can check out the Nature Explore Club at arbor.org. See the wonder of the outdoors. Come explore.
Due to this monstrosity,
Yo, what is up, y'all preppies? Right now it's 3 a.m. in the morning.
PBS
We're
Kids
going
no
to see
longer
if Freddy Fazbear shows up in
Some
my
videos
closet.
may not play correctly anymore. Sorry for the inconvenience.
After saying
My
all that
advice to
stuff,
all
I
the
think
kids
I'm a
out there,
big backer
people have
now.
way too fast for you to waste even a single precious moment.
Ah, yes. I heard my matcha drink from Starbucks. Sometimes I wish I had red.
this may
Cause
look
I
like a
got
lot.
no time. I do not think
But tonight, it's taco night.
I feel so low.
By your side for over 130
Yeah,
years.
bro, you're drinking. Yeah, bro,
McCormick, proud sponsor of
Confirm.
Kids.
And by the Department of Education, public broadcasting, private corporations funded by the American Television Authority. Why? It sounds like a cat choking on a birthday.
Because I chose my ultimate best slate and self-interest. Because I heard these podcasts like this. And if I hear one more time, I can play hostage friend.
Oh dear, will you all watch me?
Yeah, shut up, you failure. Anyway, where are those outside?
Oh, I think that's bad.
I know that. But it's William Afton's fault. He made me clear. Anyway, where was I? Oh, you. Won't you like a deal to get a limited edition JC Sensor pen? Your little friend always wants it, Emmett.
Hey, Daddy, over here! Daddy, guys, today! Come on! There's a way just one to supposed to. Why how was supposed to be? What's the way? I'm a sure climbing, smell. It's always about a time I don't. Hey, guys! You can check out the Nature Explorer and get along. See the one the last time.
Clifford is funded in part by a ready-to-learn television cooperative agreement from the U.S. Department of Education through the Public Broadcasting Service.